smelling some sort of I'm smelling like cooked wood. I'm smelling like cooked wood. It's going down. Is it? It's going down.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Wedge.
It's going down.
No, yeah, but no, we need some for the sawmill.
Yeah.
See the pressure, see that popping? No, leave one in, I'll leave one in.
Well,
Butting heads, please. Give it up.
that's lucky. Didn't even fuck it. Just derailed. Oh, fucked it.
It's looking good.
Not good.
No.
But why'd it fucking come off again? And then let it go off, it like gets a flop and then goes crack. Pretty fucking close. The good thing of this is out, it's about as loose a place as we can get. Yeah.
These slabs are good, but I want them much better. Slabs better. Slab a dabba do, get my shoe and put it on your head. Shoe on head. Stephen doesn't like it. Can this pick up the def ray? That is massive. Dude, that is humongous.
That feels so much better.
That was good before, but this is much better. Rick made it better.
A bit of lube, mate, bit of Vaseline will get you in. Imagine what a bit of KY could do.
Oh yeah, oh, with a bit of lube and then some persuasion. Oh my goodness.
See that?
It could enter places you never get out of.
That's fucking lovely.
I like the grease it real louder. Oh yeah, that's smooth, man.
Wind that up.
That's smooth.
Isn't it?
Yeah, 2 fingered, mate. 2 fingers, mate. I'm a finger. Work it, brother. It's rising the tide. The tide has risen. Paper. Pure paper. Nice. That yellow's right, isn't it? Oh, it's fungus.
What is it? Let's
Um,
have a look.
Hold fire, hold fire. Hold fire, I'm just going to grab this bit out of the way. There you go.
Yeah, I just need another. One more spot. Just let me do that.
Do you want to move the stove along?
No, it's a fire. Right, I think that is.
Yeah,
I thought you were going to cut that off.
Well, I couldn't quite get the angle from there.
Yeah.
No, like cut off that chunk. But that's the big saw wood carver.
Taking the
That lump out.
that bulge out there.
Let's have a look. That's the one, son. That's going to miss this.
Tidy, tidy though.
Yeah, it can be close. Just not touching. Good. Beautiful, mate.
I don't know.
There's the one.
Occluded knot.
Oh, yeah. Through the middle of it.
A lot of blue smoke coming off it.
That's all right. That's just,
Oh.
that's just a little bit.
Yeah, this side was that.
Above. Tiny bit above.
Yeah. This side was.
What do you mean?
Oh,
Oh, just missing?
yeah, right.
Like millimetres? Yeah, same as this side.
Cool.
Oh, at the back, yeah. Gotcha. That's pretty beautiful, mate. I reckon that's fucking fun. That's one more slab. The bitch. One more slab of the bitch.
Didn't labour at all.
None. No labour whatsoever.
Oh, I think you nailed it on the heads, which is great.
I reckon we have, mate.
Oh, it fucking.
I think we've got it.
It might fucking need a bit of. Huh?
Somehow, for some reason, new blade.
Yeah, well, because we were like using damaged parts, like.
Well, that's right. True. And I do wonder about those blades that they've sharpened.
They're not right.
They're going to be okay.
No, they're no good. They're fucking all wrong size.
No. The ones that we get back, because they
dude.
can be bent.
I'm going to tell you, like they better be like A1 excellent. I don't want to like. I want a new
I
one.
just
Trying.
wonder the way they've kicked off, whether or not it's fucking fucked it or not, you know.
Geez, that was nice.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference.
That's a different
Show-
cut.
show that.
That was, see?
Look at
That was
on the side.
that was that wrong cut.
Yeah, no, the other side, like this, thin edge. This one. Yeah. That was how bad it was
That's
dipping.
how bad it was dipping, yeah.
When we were dipping our fingers between the
Wasn't it?
between the lips to don't mother kiss.
That went through beautiful, mate.
Better.
Didn't it?
Much better.
Much better, hey?
Hey,
Very, very
your
good.
stance pretty cool. But mine.
Yeah, so I was trying to explain, you know, when I was getting into
Better.
it,
Mate, that's some
Ricky was
weight.
saying when he backs it off, he sort of goes off slowly, so it doesn't go
Yeah.
and like,
That's
Just-
some weight, mate.
oh yeah. And it's
I'll see
I
what.
reckon we just bring it this way, Jet. Let it sit down on the ground, right? And then,
That's fine, man, mate. That's
reckon?
fine, man.
hey,
That's fine.
it's cutting beautiful.
Well-
isn't it? Look at it.
We want to get off it so I can get our fingers under it.
like dread, isn't it?